Hey guys, this is your friend Mainak from Civil Center and I'm back with another video on Tekla Structural Designer. So friends, many of our viewers had asked how to design the staircase in Tekla Structural Designer. So as of now, the design of staircase is not possible in this software, but we can apply the loads of the staircase on the software. So as you can see, this is the dogleg staircase, so we can apply the loads which will act on those beams. So we can make a simulation of that in the software so that those beams which are going to take the loads of the staircases can be designed according to that. So the loads we can consider on the structure for the staircase. So how to do that, how to consider the loads of the staircase on the structure using Tekla Structural Designer, we'll just watch that. First of all, landing will be along this side, so I need to create a particular frame here. So for creating a frame, we'll just click on frame and we'll create. So just need to click and then create a frame, and after we created the frame, we'll just go to the structure window and we'll open the frames and we'll double click on it to enter the frame. So now we want to create a beam in the mid portion so that we can give a beam for resting on the landing. So for that we can just simply take the beam here, we can select the middle portion, and from this middle to this middle we can just join the beams. We have made the midway levels for our landing. So after you have done that, you can take the particular option of the flat slab. So after you take the option of your flat slab, you can just select a particular middle portion of your beam of one level. You can select the middle portion of this beam, which is represented by the big red dot, and then you can select the middle portion of this particular beam, which is represented by this particular red dot. As you can see, this is the middle because this has 3 bubbles on the left side and 3 bubbles on the right side, so this is the middle portion. So we'll click the middle portion and then the end and then this end. So at the end we'll just double click on it. So one particular flat slab has been created for resembling the landing, and from this middle portion, to check this middle portion, the bubble, as you can see, 3 bubbles on the left, 3 bubbles on the right, so we are good. And then the next thing, and then the next level, double click. So the main thing while assigning these flat slabs is that you should always start from the center, so this will be easier, and you should know which is the center as we had shown in today's video. So now after that you can also assign your particular imposed loads on your particular slabs. You can just click on imposed and you can apply the loads after going to the option of loads, and then your area loads. You can apply the area loads here. Let's say we'll apply a 3 kN per meter square, which is as per the IS code for your staircase portion. So we have applied this particular load, and the next thing which you can do is you can copy this item, this one and this one, and also this one and this one, from one level to another level. So before doing that, you should make sure you can select this two, and then in the option of diaphragm you can make this as none. So after you do that, you can select the loads also, and then you can go to the edit option and then you can copy this. Select the option of copy, and this is the reference point, this is the next reference point, and this is the next reference point. And after that you can just click on OK, or you can close this. So if you want, you can also apply the loads again. Loads, go to the area loads, imposed option is already been selected, you can apply the loads like this. So friends, this is the procedure for applying the loads of the staircase on the structure in Tekla Structural Designer software. For more such videos, stay tuned to our channel. That's all for today. Bye bye.